My name's Ken Knovenstern. I'm a divorce lawyer in White Plains and Mount Kisco, New York. I'm with the firm of Fredman, Bacon, and Knovenstern. I've been practicing in the area of matrimonial law now for about 33, 34 years. I started in Syracuse and came down to Westchester in 1987. And so I've been doing this for quite some time. And I understand the fact that going through a divorce is one of the most difficult things that people have to go through in their lives. And so, we try to be very sensitive to that and be aware of the different concerns that people have throughout the case. I'd like to give you a little bit of an idea of some of the things that you might do in preparing for a first meeting with me. In addition, maybe some pointers or tips with regard to preparation and some topics that commonly come up at a first meeting. In regard to the questions that we hear, oftentimes I hear questions about a 1-year period before someone can get a divorce, immediate issues like what should I do in terms of moving out of the house? Will I be prejudiced in any way if I do that? What about collecting financial information? And all of those are great questions. Certainly in terms of collecting financial information, you should try and start pulling together tax returns for the last 3 to 5 years, account statements for all bank accounts, retirement accounts, any employee benefits that you or your spouse might have. And with regard to things like moving out of a home, generally that's not a good thing to do until you've spoken to an attorney so that you can be protected with regard to your rights. In regard to something like a legal separation or having to live separate for a period of a year before getting a divorce, that's something that we can discuss. You do not need to do that in New York before you can get a divorce. We have something called irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for a period of 6 months or more. So as of 2010, the issue of grounds for divorce have become much less significant. So there are many other issues, from dealing with the transfer of retirement assets so that there is no tax impact when the transfer takes place, to custody, division of assets, marital property, separate property. Health insurance is a very important issue for all of us these days. And we now have the Affordable Care Act, or through New York State of Health. So that's something to be aware of. And, the unfortunate reality is that many people go through a divorce in their lives, and we're here to try and help you get through it, do the best you can in the process, and deal with the issues that come up throughout the process. So please give me a call. My number here is 914-997-9070. And I also practice in my office in Mount Kisco, New York. So please don't hesitate to call with any questions or email. Thank you.